Good morning, children. Welcome. Narayana live classes key discussion, class 8 social studies, and topic is forest using and protecting them. See, children, Narayana live classes key assignment 3 social studies. Topic is forest using and protecting them. So, yesterday we have learned what is a forest and how the forests are useful to us. That is, what are the how forest is considered as a resource for us. Now today we are going to learn about the types of the forest. There are several types of forests. That is, evergreen forests are there, deciduous forests are there, thorny forests are there, littoral forests are there. Like this, several types of forests are there. Now in this forest, based upon these forest types, we are going to discuss the assignment key today. Okay, children. So the first question is with reference to the types of the forest. See, one of the evergreen forests are not found in Andhra Pradesh. Evergreen forest means completely every time there would be leaves in a green color. Hence, that is they are called as evergreen forest. They are found only in the Himalayan regions. Okay. So, and of course, Kerala, Andaman and Nicobar in these areas also. But now the question is, some of the trees they shed their leaves. They shed their leaves in a particular season to protect from the scorching sun or evaporation of the water through the leaves. So can you name those forests? Can you name those forests? The name of the forest is deciduous forest. So answer first question is deciduous forest. Deciduous forest. That is the first question answer. And now children, that is see, regarding in these deciduous forests there are two types. One is moist deciduous and the second one is a dry deciduous. Moist deciduous means where some rainfall is there. Dry deciduous means very low rainfall, very low rainfall. So they are somewhat dry. Atmosphere is dry. Whereas moist deciduous means in the atmosphere some moisture would be there. So now with reference to this moist deciduous forest, what are the trees that are grown there? You need to identify the odd one. You need to identify the odd one. Maddi, Bandaru and that is Jittagi, all are found in the moist deciduous. Jittagi, Maddi, Bandaru, all are found in the moist deciduous except neem. Neem tree is found in the dry deciduous. So option C, neem is the answer for this question. Neem. Neem tree will not be found in the moist deciduous, but they are found in the dry deciduous forest. Okay, children. And now babul trees are a common tree. Babul tree means it will be having thorns. So you can very easily say in which forest we will find this babul trees. Babul trees are very common in which type of forest? Thorny forest. They are common in the thorny forest. So in these forests we will find the babul or subabul trees. Subabul trees are very common in these areas. Okay, now see, there are some kind of forest, that is I told you in the Himalayas we have the evergreen forest. In these evergreen forests also, some trees they have a special feature that their leaves are converted into a needle-like thing. Like this they will be like a needle like this. Why? Because what happens on these leaves, the snow cannot stay. The snow will be falling down. The snow will fall down. So to see such kind of things, the leaves are modified into a needle-like structure. Can you name such kind of the forest? That is the question. What is the forest? The name itself is very clear from this. Coniferous forest. What are those forests? Coniferous forest. So option B. Option B, coniferous forest is the answer for this question. Coniferous forest. Now children, there are some forests that can resist even in the sea water. That means the sea tidal water will come, wash it and once again will be going back. Like this, they are accustomed to the sea water and they will go even in the tidal waters. They will go in a marshy areas. Can you name such kind of forests that grow in these marshy regions? Marshy regions, they are the mangrove forests. What do we call them as the mangrove forest? The other name of the mangrove forest is littoral forest. littoral forest or mangrove forest. Okay, now I am reading out that is with reference to the thorny forest or littoral forest. Littoral forest. With reference to the littoral forest, I am reading out the names of the trees. You need to identify which is the odd one. Uppu ponna, Boddu ponna, acacia, Gundu Madu. So these are the 4 trees. Uppu ponna, next Boddu ponna, Gundu Madu, all these are found in the littoral forest. But the tree that is acacia, it is found only in the regions of the thorny forest. So what is the odd one? Odd one is acacia. Acacia grown in the thorny forest. That is the odd one. Okay. So these are the different topics about different types of the forest in it. Now coming on to the, that is now you need to write the answer, that is explain any 2 types of the forest. Explain any 2 types of the forest. Let us take because in Andhra Pradesh, what is the question asked? In Andhra Pradesh, explain any 2 forests that are present in Andhra Pradesh. So evergreen forests are there, not there in Andhra Pradesh, so we will not take that, and we will be taking the deciduous forest. The deciduous forest, they are of 2 kinds. What are the 2 kinds? One is moist, the other one is the dry deciduous forest. Moist are found in the areas where somewhat rainfall is there. Dry are found in the areas where very low amount of the rainfall are almost dry. And these moist types of the moist type of deciduous forest, they are found in the Srikakulam and Visakhapatnam districts. Where do we find them? Srikakulam and Visakhapatnam. Srikakulam and Visakhapatnam. In these regions we will find these moist deciduous forests. Then where do we find these that is dry deciduous? Dry deciduous are found in the YSR Kadapa district. YSR Kadapa district and Chittoor district. In these districts we will find the dry deciduous forest. Already we have discussed, that is in the moist deciduous, what are the types of the trees, that is Maddi, Bandaru, all these are grown in the moist deciduous. Then in the dry deciduous, neem is grown in the dry deciduous forest, that is Dirisana, Buruga, Maduga, all these are also found in these regions. Along with that, we will learn about the thorny forest. Thorny forest means almost in the arid regions, no rainfall only. In the regions of almost no rainfall or very less amount of the rainfall, we find these thorny forests. The thorny forests are found in the regions of the Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapur and Chittoor, that is Rayalaseema districts. In the Rayalaseema districts, we will be finding these thorny forests, that is Kadapa, Chittoor, Kurnool and Ananthapuram, and here the leaves will be changing into thorns. The leaves are changed into thorns. Why the leaves are changed into thorns? To save water from getting transpirated. To save the water from getting transpirated, the leaves will convert themselves into the thorns. Okay, children? That's all for today. Tomorrow we'll meet with one more assignment. Until then, children, have a nice day and have good health. Thank you.